All right. Well, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Now, I just want to let y'all know it's been 3 weeks since I've made a video. I know it doesn't seem like that because I've had a couple videos been put out, but I was really far ahead on making videos, and then all of a sudden my truck just went kaput, and I ended up spending a good amount of money, the first time around. I say the first time around. But here we are. So finally got the truck back after 3 weeks, and I'm sure they had a long time with it. And anyway, but last thing I did is I got this desk, solid metal desk, and I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna stand it up because I got some other things here that I need to put in there, and then we're gonna go take a load and then do some scrapping today because this is my first day back after 3 weeks. I'm so excited. Couldn't be happier. Maybe put it up on its side. My best bet. Yeah. So I'm gonna pull this out because that's aluminum, and then turn it sucker up. Yeah, it's gonna be working. I go all the way over here. Well, I don't see that happening. Oh man, if y'all can see that, that's all kinds of bent. That would not be safe, so I'm going to do that. Cut that cord. Put it there for now. There's a motor there, I guess. Get all my tools back. now. I'll stick that over there. I guess we'll go ahead and lift this up. I do not want all this rope. Okay, so I got rid of that rat's nest. It was ridiculous. Anyway, we're going to continue to put stuff into the truck. Turn that around, I guess. And yes, I know that was aluminum, but the whole handle is steel. So let's go cut it off. Or we can just bend it off. Oop. And I'll deal with cutting that later. Yep, missed that. I don't know what somebody did there. That's weird. So a feeling that I might need this for something. I don't know what they're for. That looks like a hinge of some sort. We'll think about it. Oop, nasty water. These are the stands for those kilns back there, but I'm not keeping them anyway because I end up tearing the kilns down themselves, and I don't need the stand for anything really. They're all rusted anyway. I just want to make sure my wife doesn't want that because it's not that heavy, so I'm not going to worry about that. Let's see here, what else? What else? There we go. I did forget about this bucket here. Oh, it's a good size bucket. It's pretty heavy. Regular. It's not brass. currently I'm going to let's go scrape the streets a little bit. See if we can find anything. I don't see nothing. I don't see nothing in here at all. There's some bones. Yeah. I don't see nothing I want out of there. Everybody gets rid of their bed frames. That's weird. That's an automatic jar opener. Isn't that interesting? What the hell is that? That's really cool. See a few things. So real quick, I just wanted to say I'm here at this place called Mr. Whiskers. I don't know if y'all can see that over there. It's called Mr. Whiskers Smokehouse, and oh, it's right there, Whiskers. Huh. Anyway, so they've got burgers and fish and ribs and pulled pork sandwiches and all kinds of things. And I went and got me a burger and a piece of fish. And let's see here, a rib. Let's see. That doesn't look too bad. There's no barbecue sauce on it, but hey. Let's see how the burger looks. Look at that burger. Grilled onions and... oh man, that looks good. That looks really good. Alright. Anyway, but I'm gonna eat this and then I'm gonna get this load taken. And we'll get to... Y'all, I gotta say, that burger, it's like one of the best burgers I've ever had. And I'm a burger fanatic. I'm on a diet right now, but I'm a burger fanatic. And I wanted a burger, so I got this burger and
Man, I'm glad I picked this place. It is the best burger I've had, and I don't even know. It's the best burger, and they got damn good fish and damn good other food. So like, y'all come check out Mr. Whiskers if you come to Hot Springs area. It's out here on Malvern Avenue, just past the highway, on your left side. So just y'all come out here and check this place out. It is one hell of a place. I tell you, who would have thought this would have turned into a food review, but here's the rib. There's in the sun. Oh, look at that nest. It looks so good. And it is good. I already took a bite. It is delicious. It's smoky. Falls right off the bone. No doubt. It's absolutely delicious. See how simple that was? I'm telling you, I better come to Mr. Whiskers. It's delicious. I guess there he comes. He's gonna come back and park that truck.
thing weighs a lot. There's also a lot of stuff inside of it.